Welcome students. In this video I am going to discuss permutations. NPR, this is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial, where r is always greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to n. Now student, we are going to apply permutation in those questions where order is important, or where we are going to make arrangement. Like if you have 3 digits 1 2 3, you have to write all the numbers which can be formed using these 3 digits. So first is 1 2 3 itself, then next is 1 3 2. Next I have written 2 1 3. You can also write 2 3 1, then 3 1 2, then 2 3 2 1. As you are changing the position of digits, you are going to have different number. So here order is important, that means you are making different arrangements. As you are changing the order, you are getting different arrangement. So we are going to apply permutations here. Same is in the English alphabets. Like you have 3 letters A and D. You have to arrange these 3 letters and you have to form the words with or without meaning using all the letters of word A and D. Now first you can write A and D and itself. Now you can write N D A. Done. You can also write A D N, then D N A. Right. Next, in the same way you can write more arrangement. So here again order is important. So we are going to apply permutations here, where we have to find all arrangements. So in number system, like in the English alphabets, where arrangements you are making, you are going to apply permutation. The first result is number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time where the repetition is allowed is n raised to the power r. And the second is the number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time where the repetition is not allowed is NPR, and its formula is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Now I am going to discuss these two results with the help of example. Like if you have 5 digits 1 2 3 4 5, you have to form 3 digit number. So we are going to make 3 blocks 1 2 3. The first part, when the repetition is allowed, that means this place can be filled in 5 ways. So this place can also be filled in 5 ways and this place can also be filled in 5 ways. So the ways are 5 raised to the power 3 or 125. So the number of permutations of 5 different objects, and we have to take 3, is 5 raised to the power 3 when the repetition is allowed. In the same way, the first result is number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time where the repetition is allowed is n raised to the power r. And the second part, when the repetition is not allowed, this is NPR, or the formula is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. First question, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? Now you have to make 3-digit numbers. So first of all you make 3 blocks. Done. 1 to 9. 1 to 9, the total digits, if you count, they are going to be 9. Right? The repetition is not allowed. So this place can be filled in 9 ways. This place number 2, it can be filled in 8 ways. Place number 3, it can be filled in 7 ways. So the total ways by using fundamental principle of counting are 7 into 8 into 9 is 500 or 4. Also you can do this question by applying permutation. It's your choice which method, whatever method you are going to like, you can apply that method. Now you have to make 3-digit number. So first of all make 3 blocks. Now the digits available are 1 to 9. So the total available are 9. The repetition is not allowed and you have to form 3-digit number. That means you have to choose 3. So NPR, from this result, the number of permutation of n different objects taken r at a time where the repetition is not allowed, NPR, where n is the total digits available, r the places which you have to fill. Here you have to fill 3 digit places, right? So the ways are 9p3. It's 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3 factorial. So this is 9 factorial upon 6 factorial. Now we can write the 9 factorial as 6 factorial into 7 into 8 into 9. 6 factorial will be cancelled. If you multiply it, answer will be 504. Second question. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? This is very important question. First of all, you have to form 4-digit number. So make 4 blocks, right? Now, whenever you are not given digits, so you will take from 0 to 9. So the total digits available are 10. You can do this question either by fundamental or by permutation. The first method I am going to discuss here is the fundamental. Now look here. As you have to form 4-digit number, so you cannot take 0 here, because if you take 0 here, it will become 3-digit number. So the number of ways in which this place can be filled is 9. Whenever we are going to have restriction on any place, we'll start from that place. As we cannot take 0 here, so this place can be filled in 9 ways. But you can take 0 anywhere here. So the repetition is not allowed. Total digits were 10. 1 is used here. Now we are left with 9. So this place can be filled in 9 ways, this place 8 ways, and this place 7 ways. So the total ways are 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. This is 4536. Now second way, by using permutation, the digits 0 to 9 total are 10. Again, the first place you cannot take 0 here, so it can be filled in 9 ways, as there is no restriction for these 3 places. 0 to 9, 10 digits, we have used 1 here, so now we are left with 9 digits. 9, and places you have to fill are 3. So out of 9 you have to choose 3, right? So 9p3, the number of permutation of 9 object where you have to choose 3 and the repetition is not allowed is npr. So here 9p3. So this is 9 times 9 for first place and arrangement of these 3 places, right? 9 into 9p3. So 9 into 9 factorial upon 6 factorial. This is 9 minus 3, 6 factorial. So you have 9 into this 9 factorial can be 6 factorial into 7 into 8 into 9. Now this 6 factorial will be cancelled. So you'll have 9 into 7 into 8 into 9. Again your answer is same. Next question. How many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7 if no digit is repeated? First you make 3 blocks for 3-digit number. Now you have to form even number. That means we have restriction on this place. Either you can take 2 or 4 or 6. So place number 1 can be filled in 3 ways. Now we have total 6 digit. 1 is used here. Repetition is not allowed. So second place can be filled in 5 ways. And it can be filled in 4 ways. So the total ways are 4 into 5 into 3. This is 60. Or by permutation, place number 1. The option available are, because you have to form even numbers, so you can take either 2, 4 or 6. So the digits total available are 3 and you have to fill one place only. So the ways are 3p1 and these 2 places, and means multiplication, they can be filled in. Now out of 6 you have you used 1 here. So that means now still you have 5 digits with you and you have to fill 2 places. So places 2 and 3 can be filled in 5p2 ways. So the total arrangements are 3p1 and means multiplication into 5p2. So here 3 factorial upon 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial. Here 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2 factorial is 3 factorial. Either you can cancel 3 factorial or write 5 factorial in terms of 2 factorial, or you can also do like this. This 3 factorial can be written as 2 factorial into 3. So that means 2 factorial will be cancelled. Here this 5 factorial can be written as 3 factorial into 4 into 5. This is cancelled. So your answer is 60. Next question number 4. find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if no digit is repeated. The second part, how many of these will be even? Now the total digits are 5. You have to form 4-digit number. That means, and the repetition is not allowed. So the ways are 5, P, 4. So this is 5 factorial upon 5 minus 4 factorial. So 5 factorial upon 1 factorial. Now 5 factorial, it can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So the answer is 120. Second part, how many of these will be even? Now again you have to form 4-digit number, make 4 blocks here. For even, you can take either 2 or 4 here. So the ways are 2. The repetition is not allowed. Total digits were 5. You have used 1. So now this place can be filled in 4 ways. This place 3 ways and this place 2 ways. So this is your answer. Or if you try the second part by permutation, then for even you can take 2 or 4 only, right? So 2p1, because you have to fill only one place. So the ways are 2p1. Now the total digits were 5. You have used 1. So you have now 4 digits with you. And you have to fill these 3 places. So the ways are 4p3. So answer is 4p3 into 2p1. So this is 4 factorial upon 4 minus 3 factorial. That is 1 factorial is 1 into, again same here, 2 factorial upon 2 minus 1 factorial, that is 1. Now put the value of 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and 2 factorial is 1 into 2. So on multiplication your answer is 48. Question number 5. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? You have to find the ways in which you can choose, and each person can hold only one position, right? So the total person are 8 and you have to choose 2. Order is important because the person which is chairman cannot be take the position of vice chairman, right? So the ways are 8p2. So this is 8 factorial upon 8 minus 2 factorial. Answer is 8 factorial upon 6 factorial. It can be written as 6 factorial into 7 into 8. So that means your answer is 56.